Before I retired as a consultant, we coached over 1,200 online business owners at getclients.com on how to start or grow their business. And we did over 962 coaching calls in total. Some of these people made millions of dollars. Some of them made hundreds of thousands of dollars, and some of them made nothing or didn't even get started. And looking back at all of that, we found the #1 common denominator amongst those that struggled to get started. Now, we shared how to fix this with those clients that were stuck. And for those that actually did what I'm about to show you, it got them unstuck. But the ones that resisted it or didn't do it remained stuck. And so my hope is you'll watch this video, you'll take this advice, and it'll help you get unstuck. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dan Henry. I'm the co-founder of ClosedDeals.com, and I made $30 million with my online business, and I make videos sharing what I learned along the way. So what is the common denominator? I like to call it chocolate spaghetti syndrome. Now, what is chocolate spaghetti syndrome? Well, most entrepreneurs are stuck because they can't decide what they want to say or what they want to sell. So maybe you're trying to decide what type of online course or coaching program or product you want to sell. Or maybe you're trying to decide what your brand story should be. Or maybe it's as simple as a simple story that's in an email, a book, or a webinar. And you can't decide really what to say, or you are saying it and people are confused. Well, it's likely because you're putting chocolate in the spaghetti bowl. Here's what that means. In your kitchen, you have a lot of ingredients. You have different meats, you have different spices, pastas, all kinds of stuff. If you decide to make spaghetti, you would likely put spaghetti sauce and noodles in a bowl, maybe some salt. But would you put a big glop of chocolate? No, you wouldn't, even though chocolate by itself is amazing and you might love chocolate, and chocolate might be something that you just don't want to live without. You would not put it in that bowl of spaghetti. Why? Because it would ruin the meal. Now, if you view that kitchen as your life, and the ingredients in that kitchen as your experiences, the stories and the things that happen to you in your life, your skills, you will find that you have quite a lot of ingredients. But if you try to take all of them and put them into one bowl, it will be gross and people will not like it. And so when you decide to create a product or a message or a brand, what I find the best thing to do is decide what meal you're going to make. In other words, decide what experience or belief or action you want the customer to take after they consume that meal, that message, that product. And the way you articulate your offer to the market should have the ingredients necessary for that meal and that meal only. Imagine if Hollywood made a movie about a true story and they included each and every single solitary event in that story. The movie would be 15 hours long, it would be boring, and no one would want to watch it. They have to selectively use the elements of the story that make the most sense, that are the most entertaining, and ultimately tell the moral of the story as efficiently as possible. And so the next time you're thinking about what product should I create, how do I get started, just decide what meal you're gonna make, go in your pantry of life, choose only the ingredients you need to make that meal, and make the meal. Create the product, write the story. It is very difficult to not include all of the ingredients because these are special to you. They are moments that shaped and changed your life. But that is impactful to you, to someone else. When combined, it could be confusing, hard to follow, and not endearing to you because there's just too much going on. So if you ever found yourself feeling stuck or not sure what to do, all you have to do is decide what experience do I want them to have, what problem am I solving for them, and what ingredients do I have in my pantry of life that I can use to solve this problem as efficiently as possible. I promise you, if you do that, it will help you get unstuck. At least it helped me get unstuck. It helped a lot of our clients get unstuck. And if you try this, I think it'll help you too. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, leave a comment and let me know what your thoughts are. And if you like videos like this, I love making them for you. I love sharing what I learned in my journey to making millions of dollars online, even though I spent 7 years as a pizza boy and never thought that would happen. So it's really cool for me to make these videos. So make sure to subscribe and watch out for the next one.